A very good morning to one and all. I welcome you all for today's session, Quine McCluskey Method. So we know very well about the minimization technique. We have discussed the previous techniques like Boolean simplification and K-map. The third technique is Quine McCluskey Method. So it is a tabulation method based on the concept of prime implicants. Here you should understand the two concepts. One is prime implicant and another one is essential prime implicant. So prime implicant has two parts. First one, part 1, you have to find all prime implicants by an exhaustive search, and part 2, identify the essential prime implicants obtained in part 1 and select from the remaining prime implicants which can give the perfect minimized expressions. Okay, so this is a sample problem which we are going to work out. So first, when the problem is given, you have to plot a K-map for the given problem and find the solution, that is y. So for the given problem, I am getting the answer b bar c bar plus cd. The same answer to be verified by using tabulation method at the final stage. Okay. So how we are going to start our tabulation method? We are going to form 3 tables. First table, like arranging all the minterms accordingly to number of ones contained. So like starts with 0 ones, 1 ones, 2 ones and 3 ones and 4 ones. With this table, you have to go for an exhaustive search like M0 comparing with M1, M8, whether it is matching or not. Then close the group G0. Then M1 with M3, M9, M8 with M3, M9. Likewise, you have to go for an exhaustive search. Okay. Once you go for an exhaustive search, we can form another table like combination of minterms into groups of 2. In this group, we can see how we can say that it is matching each other. Suppose if it varies with 1 bit, then it is said to be as it matches each other. Like if you have M0 0000 and M1 0001, in the last position it is varying. Right? Only last position, only one variation means it is considered that it both matches each other. Likewise, we have formed this combination of minterms into groups of 2. With this group, again we have to form another group like combination of minterms into groups of 4. Right? So, while we form this table, we are able to get prime implicants like the final column. We can say this said to be as prime implicants, which is represented by binary representation like A, B, C, D, means you are getting values either 0 or 1. That position can be considered, that place can be considered, okay, in binary representation. If your representation is A, B, C, D, then you are getting zeros in B and C, means as 0, you can get either complement or non-complement term. If 0 means it should be represented as B bar, C bar. Then B bar, D, C, D. Likewise, we have mentioned here, these representations are said to be as this B bar, C bar and B bar, D and C, D are said to be as prime implicants. So with this prime implicants, we have to find essential prime implicants like forming this final table where I have mentioned 3 columns. First one, our prime implicants, and next decimal numbers corresponding to that prime implicants. So what are all the decimal numbers corresponding to that prime implicants? So you can go to previous slide where I am getting B bar, C bar in 0, 1, 8, 9. So that corresponding decimal numbers to be mentioned here like 0, 1, 8, 9. Understood? Our next given minterm is nothing but your problem. So what are all the problem minterms given in our problem? See, this is our problem, right? 0, 1, 3, 7, 8, 9, 11, 15. So that should be mentioned here, the given minterms. So your column is prime implicants, decimal numbers corresponding to prime implicants, then given minterms. Now you have to mark the decimal numbers corresponding to prime implicants in this given minterms. So like into mark, that is cross. After that, you have to encircle the only one minterm which is available in a column. Column wise, you have to encircle the single minterms. So while you mark encircle like this, you can see B bar, D is left out. Okay. So the essential prime implicants where it is available in B bar, C bar and C, D is said to be as essential prime implicants. So that particular prime implicants are considered as essential prime implicants. So where you have essential prime implicants in B bar, C bar and in CD. So only these two prime implicants can be considered. So your y is equal to b bar c bar plus cd, which you have already received in your K map. Hope now you understand.